Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into the Memorial Day sale for Harbor Freight. Now this has been going on all week, Monday through Thursday. It was for Inside Track members, and from today through Monday it's going to be a sale for everyone. So we're just going to go over some items that I would consider, or things that kind of relate to the channel, that we're going to try and move through this as quickly as possible. So if you guys see anything that I forget to mention that you think is a good purchase or something to consider, please drop it down in the comments for others. But we're going to quickly get into this. So first up is the Rapid Pump 3-ton steel jack from Harbor Freight. It's the Pittsburgh for $100 down from 115. I think all of their jacks are really well priced for what you get. I haven't had any issues with mine, and I've heard a lot of good reviews and things on their jacks. So anytime you can find them on sale, I think that's an even better deal, obviously. Then you have a couple of their shop fans, one on a pestle, one with wheels. If I needed one, this would definitely be something that I may consider. Uh, they're at 118 from 150. Then they have their 4-drawer 30-inch service carts at 180 down from 200. I know my buddy just got one of these. He really enjoys it. Harbor Freight, the 4-drawer and 5-drawer service carts are one of the best ones that you can get for the money. There's not a lot of other carts out there at the quality for that price range. And then you get many different color options as well with that. Then you have the rest of their jacks. They have a lot of their Daytona jacks on sale for 125 down from basically 150. So they're going to be a little bit higher quality, a little bit better jack than their Pittsburgh ones, but I haven't had any issues with my Pittsburgh ones either, so either one is a good buy as far as my experience with them. Some transfer pumps and AC gauge work, gauge set, some cheap little funnels, work rags. You can never have enough of those. Nitro gloves. They have a couple different pressure washers. Actually, they have this one and a carb one, and they're on sale at 350 down from 400. They're 3100 psi, 2.8 gallon per minute, 6.5 horsepower gas operated pressure washers. I haven't used the Predator lineup, but it's got good reviews, and this is going to be maybe overkill for detailing a car, but great for, working on cleaning up brick houses or concrete sidewalks and driveways, anything like that. I'm sure it's got a lot of good uses for other things as well. They have their cheap pump sprayer. I bought mine for like $6 or $7. It's on sale for 5. I use this primarily for chemicals that I use to kill weeds or anything like that the chemical may destroy the rubber seals and stuff in it. So I don't want to go spending a lot of money on a pump sprayer that is just going to go bad on me. So I don't feel bad if I spend $5 to $8 on one of these and it doesn't last that long. I'm okay with that. They have a lot of their smaller compressors and pancake compressors and stuff on sale from $40 to $130. Here you can see kind of some of theirs. They have the 2 half-inch drive pneumatic Earthquake XT impacts for $100 down from $130. So if you still use pneumatic and you're looking for something more affordable, these are a decent way to go. It's got a lot of good reviews as well. They have their 4-drawer service cart for $179 down from $200. All of their color options. I thought we already went over this. I don't know. I've recorded this video 2 or 3 times and had something happen. Got a phone call, so I had to start over. But besides the 4-drawer service carts, they have their 225-piece set mechanic set. I know a lot of people that keep these in their vehicles for roadside emergencies, anything like that, little jobs here and there. $100 down from $140. It's obviously not the highest quality set, but you do get a decent selection of tools here to get you out of some bad situations. They have their 18-inch breaker bar here, a half-inch drive for $9. I would still consider just purchasing the Pittsburgh 25-inch breaker bar with comfort grip. It's a great deal. Batteries, I don't buy batteries from them anymore just because I end up replacing them more and more. They do have some cheap drill bits here and stepper bits, and these are okay, especially the stepper bits, as long as you're going through thin sheet metal on an occasion. If you're doing it every day and you're going through some thicker gauge steel or sheet metal, they're not going to last that long. But if it's just occasionally, they're actually a pretty decent buy. Their shop vacs, I have the rigid shop vac and I absolutely love it. So I don't have any experience with these Bauer ones, but they have good reviews as well. Very affordable, and it does look as though you get some pretty good attachment options with them as well. And then just kind of some of your miscellaneous little things. Then you got some shop lighting or work lighting here. The Braun Slim bar LED light is a great buy, especially at $20 from $30. You got some overhead lighting if you need more lighting in your shop. Bunch of flashlights, outdoor lights. This little step here, it's work platform. I use it for detailing cars, working on top of cars, things like that. It's $20. It works very well. It's very compact. I think it's a great buy. That is it for their Memorial Day sale. If there are any items on here that you suggest, maybe you've purchased them and had a good experience with, anything that I didn't cover, please share it down in the comments. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.